family, welcome to Live&Gather. I'm Star, and on this channel I make content about home decor, DIY, and home inspiration. In today's video, I am doing an empty house tour because we just recently moved. I have not posted in a while because we have been getting ready to sell our other house, to move to this house. So much going on, but I'm so happy today to share with you our empty house tour for our new home. Of course, we have tons and tons of things we want to do in this house. You know me, I want to make this house our home, but I want to show you what this house is looking like when we first move in, and then we'll take you on a journey in subsequent videos of how we do our interior design and do some DIY projects, and also some not so DIY projects to get this house the way that we want it. This is a new construction home, but we did not choose anything in this house. We did not choose anything in this house. This house is already built when we found it. So go ahead and like this video. Tell me what you think in the comment section below, as well as if you have any additional questions. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already, and without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay, so we have the entryway, and we're happy we have a nice big entryway. It is a 2-story foyer. And here we have my office. This time around I get my own office, and it's technically a bedroom. It has a closet here. A small closet, but it also has a full bathroom, which is nice because although it'll be my office, I will still try to have the space available when we have guests, so we'll figure that out. And there's also a basement. Okay, this way we have the formal dining room, and the dining room has these nice coffered ceilings. It's also a bit bigger than our last dining room, and it has this built-in wet bar. They call it a butler's pantry, but it's really a wet bar. We'll use this as our new coffee bar. And it already has all the cabinetry that we need, and backsplash and all that good stuff too. So here we have the kitchen. So we have a way bigger island than our last one. We have this nice gift basket from the builder. They are so nice. So we have a built-in double oven, which I love. Like, I would not have a house at this point without a double oven. At the last one, we had a double oven range, but this one we have the cooktop, the gas cooktop built in, and then we have the double ovens built in. And also we also have some soft clothes going on here. Have a nice farmhouse sink. There's also this little pocket office off the kitchen. So this will actually be David's office. In our last house, we shared the office, but David doesn't want to share anymore, so he'll use this as his office. Let me turn the light on, it's kind of dark. Okay, that's with the light on. And then there is a walk-in pantry. Super excited about this pantry. I definitely want to do some built-ins in here at some point to kind of maximize the space a little bit better. Maybe add a countertop. Maybe it'll be kind of like more of like a builder's pantry or something in the future. We'll see. But it's a nice big walk-in pantry. Super excited about it. All right. So then we have our space for our eat-in kitchen. This is like kind of how our last house was laid out, with the kitchen, eat-in kitchen in the middle, and the living room. But this layout just has a little bit more space than the layout at our last house. It's very similar. Living room is huge, has built-ins. I don't like these built-ins because I don't understand why they wouldn't take the built-ins up to the ceiling. So we're gonna redo these built-ins, but they are very large, and it has a fireplace. We'll likely redo the fireplace as well. And you know, we're gonna replace all the lighting around the house. It will be nice when we get done with it. We also have a covered deck, which is nice. We had a deck at our last house, but this one is bigger and it's covered, so that's nice. It came covered. So lights. Okay, so we have the mudroom area. We have our where's the light? We have our powder room, just a standard powder room. It'll be cute at some point in the future. We never did our powder room in our last house, so I'm super excited to do this one. Something we really love is the fact that we have a coat closet. Like, such a small thing, but at our last house, we didn't have any closets outside of the closets that were in the bedrooms. So we're super happy about that. And we also have this built-in drop area as well. And there's also a 3-car garage. These garages are huge. Going upstairs. Okay, so here's our first guest room. Pretty decent size. It has ensuite bathroom. It also has a walk-in closet. Especially since it has a window, that's pretty cool. We also have the laundry room. Love that this one has a sink. And it also comes with the cabinetry, which we didn't have in our last house. This room will be our new nursery. It is the biggest secondary bedroom. So we're hoping that this is a room that DJ can grow into. Really dark in here, but we'll definitely change that lighting. Terrible, terrible lighting from that light fixture. This bedroom also has a walk-in closet, and it has a Jack and Jill style bathroom. So each room has its own vanity area here. And then there's a shared toilet and shower area in between. Here's a second vanity area for the other bedroom. And here is the other guest room. So this will be another guest room for us right now. The builder let those curtains up. Those will of course come down. This room also has a walk-in closet, which is nice. Okay. So then we have the main bedroom. Here is our primary. Here are the lights in here. Okay. So here is the primary bedroom. It's a little dark in here. It has tray ceilings, a lot bigger. Let me see from this way if the lighting is a little bit better. The lighting is a bit better over here. It has this seating area. That's nice. This is nice. Don't know how we'll use this space. Of course, it'll be a comfortable seating area, but still have some stuff to do there. Then we have our bathroom. The bathroom has these double vanities. Has this huge tub in the middle, which I think is taking up too much space. So at some point in the future, I want to take out this like towel surround and just have a freestanding tub. And that way we'll be able to actually extend the vanities out more. Toilet room, nothing to talk about there. We have this nice big shower that has like the rain, the rain shower head and also a regular shower head, niche, nice tile. Here is a walk-in closet. So this closet will be David's closet, which is pretty big. I'm really excited that we get our own closet. And then we have the, what is this called? A linen closet. And here is my closet. So I'm so excited that I get my own closet. And I have a bigger closet. This is huge. This is bigger. My own closet is bigger than the closet that we shared at our last house. So I'm excited that we'll be able to do some closet systems in here in both of the closets. So yeah, this is a huge bathroom. Okay, last but not least, we have the basement. So we have a nice large unfinished basement. We have some space underneath the stairs for storage. We have like this room that is studied to be a bathroom. Then we have this huge open space that we'll probably use for an entertainment space in the future. And we have another huge open space here. Has a closet, so this will technically be a bedroom, but we'll probably use it as a gym. We have this space over here that could be another room of some sorts, or it could be a kitchen, something. There's just so much space down here. I think this is like another 2,000 square feet just in the basement. And then back here, we have another room that also has a closet, but since it doesn't have a window, I don't think it could be considered a bedroom. So this will probably be like a storage room or an extra room, just like miscellaneous room. So one thing is that our backyard isn't as big as the backyard at our last house, but the house makes up for it, so we negotiated on that. All right, that concludes our empty house tour. Make sure you subscribe if you have not done so already. Like this video and tell me what you think in the comment section below. And of course, stay tuned for more content, especially as we start to make this house into our home. Until next time, love, Star.